Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you a deep and important report from South Sudan. South Sudan is facing both opportunity and serious challenges at the same time. In this video, we will talk about South Sudan offering mining deal to the United States. Second, we'll talk about a shocking report about women and girls being displaced every hour in South Sudan. And third, we'll talk about a political warning to President Salva Kiir Mayardit. And fourth, we'll talk about a tragic plane crash that killed everyone on board. Before we proceed with these latest updates, I will ask you to, if the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with South Sudan and the United States mining opportunity. According to this report, the government of South Sudan said it is ready to work closely with the United States in developing its mineral resources. The finance minister explained that the country wants support from international partners. He says South Sudan needs both money and modern technology to grow its mining sector. According to the minister, the United States is a strong and trusted partner. He believes America has the tools and knowledge that can help South Sudan develop faster. This announcement came after a visit to Washington, where South Sudan officials attended major international financial meetings. During those meetings, they spoke with global institutions about rebuilding the economy of South Sudan, attracting investors, and improving financial stability. The message from South Sudan is clear. We are open for business, but there is a problem. Even though the country has valuable minerals like gold, copper, and iron, the mining sector is still weak. Why? Because of poor infrastructure, weak management, and lack of clear system. Right now, South Sudan depends heavily on oil. Oil brings in more 90% of government money. This is risky. If oil prices fall, the whole economy suffers. And that is why the government wants to expand into mining, but not everyone is convinced. Let's look about U.S. concern about investment. While South Sudan is inviting investors, the United States has raised serious concern. American officials say there are problems with transparency, security, and trust in government system in South Sudan. In simple words, investors are worried. They are asking, will our money be served? Will decision be fair? And can we trust the system? And because of this concern, many American businesses are not ready to invest yet in South Sudan. Even though opportunities exist, confidence is still low. This is especially true in the mining sector. Without a strong system and clear rules, it becomes difficult for foreign companies to operate in South Sudan. So now, South Sudan faces a big challenge. How can it attract investment while fixing internal problems? Let's move on. Humanitarian crisis. Women and girls suffering in South Sudan. Now we move to a much more serious and painful issue. A new report shows that more than 100 women and girls are being displaced every single hour in South Sudan. Yes, every hour. This is happening because of ongoing violence, lack of food, and unstable living condition in South Sudan. Since the beginning of the year, hundreds of thousands of people have been forced to leave their homes, and most of them are women and girls. Many are now facing hunger, violence, and lack of health care. Some women say they are eating wild plants just to survive. Others go for days without food. The situation is getting worse, and it is getting worse as the lean season began, a time when food becomes even harder to find. Humanitarian organizations said around 5 million women and girls need help this year. That includes food, protection, and support for victims of violence. There is also a call for women to be included in leadership. Experts said women must have a voice in government, especially as the country prepares for election in 2026. They are asking for fair participation, equal representation, and a transparent election process, because without inclusion, peace becomes harder to achieve. Let's look at political tension, peace agreement debate. A civil society leader has warned President Salva Kiir Mayardit about a proposed change to the 2018 peace agreement. The concern is the amendment is being rushed without proper discussion. Traditionally, such decisions require agreement from different groups, but critics say this process is being ignored. They are calling on the president to withdraw the bill and return to dialogue. So, why does this matter? Because South Sudan's peace agreement is very important. It was designed to stop conflict, bring stability, and unite the country. If changes are made without agreement, it could create more tension and possibly more conflict between the rival forces, especially between the SPLA-IO and the SSPDF. Now we move on to a tragic plane crash in South Sudan near Juba, capital city of South Sudan. According to the report yesterday, a small aircraft crashed near Juba, killing all 14 people on board. The plane was flying from Ye to Juba when it lost communication. Authorities believe bad weather may have caused the crash. There were 13 passengers and 1 pilot. Among the passengers were 2 Kenyan nationals. A rescue team were sent to the crash site, but sadly, no one survived. Now, people are asking questions. Some believe the aircraft may have been too old. Others are blaming poor maintenance. This tragedy has started a bigger discussion about aviation safety in the country. So, what does all this mean? Right now, South Sudan is standing at a crossroads. On one side, there is opportunity, national resources, international partnership, and economic growth. On the other side, there are serious challenges like conflict, hunger, weak system, and human suffering. The future of the country depends on the decision made today. Will leader build trust? Will peace agreement be respected? Will women be protected and included? Will safety improved? These are the questions that remain. Thank you for watching. If you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified.